Hey guys, today I wanted to talk to you guys directly about what's happening with the channel. I made that last video and you guys were so amazing. The support the amount of support that came through, the people that commented, the hidden followers that came out and told me to just keep trying. Thank you so much for that. But I'm at the point where I can't make sense of this. I can't figure it out. I don't get it. I haven't done anything offensive in my channel. For example, I don't show gore on my channel. I haven't attacked a specific racial group or a person. I don't have any drama on my channel. I've never bullied anybody on my channel. I don't have any strikes on my channel. I don't have any copyright claims on my channel. I don't have any nudity in my channel or of any kind, educational or otherwise. I just want to understand what's going on. I even tried calling YouTube. When I first had that strike, I did call YouTube. So you can contact YouTube, and I have been trying to, but things have changed now. And I don't remember if that was pre-Google, after Google, I don't know. But if there's anybody out there who's learned from my channel in any way, who has connections to someone who is working at YouTube, who deals with this kind of stuff, please help me. I don't know how to get a hold of them. I have no idea. Even in the claims, there's nothing that I can submit. I don't want to abuse the ticket submission system by saying, oh, there's something wrong with copyright on my channel, and then just get a hold of someone and go through there, because that's just adding more traffic and ruining it for other people who are experiencing this problem and making their lives harder. So I don't want to add more traffic to the claims that are being sent in every day. I just want to do what power I have and make a video about it, and in the hopes that somebody at YouTube or somebody who knows someone who works at YouTube can help me. I don't know why my channel's been shadow banned. I have broken none of the rules in any way that you can trace or point at in any way. And if my political views are why this, basically in one of the videos I said, if you support Trump, stop watching my videos, because I don't support that bigot. You don't get to benefit from what I create while also voting for a piece of garbage. So that's the basic gist of the worst thing I could have possibly done in this channel, was basically tell people stop watching my videos if you're a racist, white nationalist bigot. And I will never back down from that. I will never back down from that. I fought my way through a very difficult life to get here. And that's something that will never change. I will always stand up against people like him. Again, that said, I have done nothing else that I could possibly point at that could encourage somebody who works at YouTube to shadow ban me, however the narrative goes, however it works. I don't know. But if there is a shadow ban on my channel, then I don't know what steps to take in order to get YouTube to notice what's happening here. This can't all be about shorts, because I've seen other channels who, yes, they don't make shorts, but their videos still go out to their subscribers. And it's impossible that all of my subscribers are suddenly inactive. This happened overnight. This happened overnight sometime in 2021 or 2020. And I don't know what to make of it. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go from this point. I've tried to shorten my videos. I have tried to create shorts, and I had fun creating shorts. But at one point or another, I'm just so busy. I have so many facets to what I do online, from private tutoring to Patreon to Critique Hour. I'm still creating content, not just any content, regular content, 2 videos a week. That's really the highest you can go, other than making a video every other day, and it's just like, non-content. I'm creating real content 2 times a week. And the art community doesn't even know who I am. Half the people who are new subscribers in other channels haven't even heard of me, and I've been here 10 years. Why is that? Why in the last 3 years, suddenly nobody knows who I am anymore, other than the people that were here pre-3 years ago? So just help me understand what's happening on YouTube. Is there some specific person behind this? Is there a specific issue on my channel that I'm not aware of, that I haven't been made aware of? If there was a strike on my channel, wouldn't they have contacted me? So what exactly is happening? As for my just entire method, some people said that it's the way you teach that it makes people not want to come back. Like, what? The way I teach is 100% in your service. I don't have to give you a cookie every time I point to one of your mistakes, but that's not how you create art gods. That's not how art gods are forged. We don't forge greatness through cookies. I will tell you where your mistake is, and I will educate you and school you until you get it, until your art looks good. I'm offering the art community something big, which is university level. And not even universities aren't offering what I'm offering. Education, free education. I am literally grabbing all of the stuff that's hidden, all of this stuff, and then just putting it out in the open for you. And at this point, I'm, for someone who's a public speaker, and I know this was a lot of talking, but at the same time, I feel like I'm at a loss for words because I don't know where to even settle this matter and figure it out. I can't imagine what I might have done specifically that broke YouTube's rules, that they shadow banned me this way. Somebody told me you're not shadow banned. It just looks like a shadow ban, so don't freak out, but it just looks like a shadow ban. Because a shadow ban means nobody gets your notifications, not one person. You're just a sitting duck. That's it. People are obviously getting my notifications. They're clicking, they're commenting. People will comment on this video. But I just want to know what it is that I did. I just want to know if there was anything that might have pissed off somebody at YouTube. If there's anything, it can't just be about my titles and my thumbnails. It can't just be about that. Yes, maybe I could have experienced a decrease in traffic because I wasn't doing shorts, but it's not a complete full stop. One of my videos has 200 views. And that is very scary to me. I don't understand it. And I don't want to stop teaching. And this is my outlet. This is how I get my teaching out into the world. And I know that I could have migrated to another channel. I know that it's been a real dumpster fire out here, but YouTube, you can't keep punishing your users. You can't do it. You can't keep doing this. You can't keep doing this. You can't punish artists this way. This is not fair. This is not fair.